absent and you need to find your makeup work. So first you need to go to Schoology, and you can see here are my Schoology classes. I'm just going to select biology. These are my honors biology courses. And the first thing you see here, how to find work if you are absent from class. Click on that, gives you some information. To find work when you're absent, go to the current unit folder and open it. Then click on the day that you were absent. All recordings, materials, notes, and assignments are in the daily folders. If you have questions, then please email me, Mrs. Forman. So I'm going to go back out to this. And in my honors biology class, we are just wrapping up science and engineering practices. This would be the same title as the current packet that we're working on in class. So if I open that particular folder, scroll down a little bit. Let's say, for example, let's say I was absent on September 8th for the scientific method. I can open that folder. I see, hey, here's the notes. Scientific method honors notes. Doesn't matter the year, it's the correct information. I would open that presentation and then I could fill in the notes in my packet that corresponds with it. And there's the variables, control, and constants homework. So the people in class that day would have a paper version. And if I was absent, I'm going to do this alternative version, which covers the same material. I would then submit it through Schoology, and that would be complete for my lesson that day. Let's say I missed on September 28th, where it says biology root words. I also know that the class took a quiz that day. So look, here's a recording reviewing how to write a CER. And then there is the quiz for that day, the mask and disease spread CER, claim, evidence, and reasoning. So it's the test that's right there that I have access to that I can do through Schoology when I'm absent. I don't have to wait and come back to school and make arrangements with Mrs. Forman. It's right here. Then it looks like she gave notes on biology root words, and then I could watch that recording. Here's also the presentation on the root words, and there's a root word guide, and there's a link. Oh, language of life science, practicing biology root words. That's an assignment. So the students probably did that in class. We were really busy in class that day. For example, if you missed on how to write a CR, the scientific thinking summative assessment, those were 2 days we worked on that lesson. We did some labs. There are links to those labs because obviously if I wasn't here, I can't do the labs, but I can watch a video and here's directions for that particular lesson. So whatever unit we're in, find the day, and then you can click on your lessons and you can take care of your missing work. Any questions, don't hesitate. Just email me. Have a great day and hope to see you back in class.